The WaterMonster flag is a powerful way to gain exposure and make the water stations easy to find in large crowds. To install your water flag kit, first screw the mounting plate to the center of the lid using the provided screws. Be sure not to over-tighten, as this will strip the plastic threads. Next, screw the flag mount into the mounting plate. Assemble the 3 longer pieces. Start with the piece with no fitting and then assemble the other 2. Next, insert the assembled pole into the water flag as shown. Start with the piece with no fitting, insert it through the top of the flag, and then slide it all the way down. The fitting on the top of the pole should be visible. Insert the shorter piece through the top of the flag, starting with the end with no fitting going in first. Adjust the longer pole slightly so that you can screw it into the short pole fitting. Once assembled, insert the completed flag into the flag mount. Place the lid on and insert the locking pins. Now you're ready to draw in a crowd.